Hi guys, it's Lisa. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and say hello. I haven't said hello in a while. I know in my last couple videos I have mentioned a subscriber giveaway, and I am finally getting to it. You probably wouldn't even have noticed, but being I'm bringing it up, please don't just ignore this mess here. I had an avalanche in my closet. Ugh. So I have to work on that after this video. I have one of those shelves and it collapsed. So like I have tumblers, canvases, all kinds of pieces, parts that have collapsed in there. So I was going to shut the door, but I can't even do that right now because it collapsed. So, all right. So you are all here because of the 6K giveaway. I have just passed up 6,000 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you. It's been very slow, but mostly that's my fault because I'm haven't been very consistent in posting on a regular basis, just because I've had some personal health issues and all that stuff. So that's my bad, not yours. So regardless, we made it to 6K, and I'm gonna give something away. So your requirements for this giveaway are very, very simple. You must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Hence, subscriber giveaway, right? Can't not be a subscriber and win a giveaway. Man, my hair is wrecked. Okay. Don't pay attention to me either because this is kind of like an avalanche also. So, what am I giving away? I am going to give away one of my tumblers. This one in particular. It's very cute. I love it. It is a 20-ounce classic. There is a video that goes with this. I will link it. There's a video that goes with the cup and then another video that goes with making the topper. There's the topper. So it comes with the 3D top and a straw. And unfortunately, this will be only available for my US subscribers. So, but that doesn't mean that if you're not from the US that you can't enter in this giveaway, because I will be giving away a gift card also. So if you're from outside of the US, then, and I pull your name, I'll be giving away a gift card to non-US subscribers, and then the cup will go to whatever US subscriber that I pull. The giveaway will be done on a live probably next week. That's what I'm hoping for, is next week. And you do not have to be present on the live to win, but if you do join me in the live, I will be giving away a prize to a random name in the live chat. So that will be 3 prizes. So a non-US prize, the US prize, and then a prize for being in the live chat on the giveaway, which is most likely going to be, I'm not sure yet, but I think it's going to be like a 16-ounce kit of KS resin or something equivalent to that. I don't know, it might be another tumbler. I don't know. You'll have to come and join me on the live to see what I give away. But this for sure, and a gift card for sure. So what you need to do is, one, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Two, comment under this post where you are from. That way when I go through the comments, I can separate the US people from the non-US people. And don't just say like US or Australia. I want to actually know where you're from. So Kentucky, you know, US, or, you know, Queensland, Australia. I'd like to know where you guys are from. And that way I can separate the two and pull from a non-US hat and a US hat. That is basically all the requirements. Super simple. Just subscribe to my channel. What else did I want to cover? Hang on, I have it written down here because I tend to forget stuff. Comment under the post where you're from. Oh, for the US cup, I will also pay shipping too. I hate when people do giveaways and then they charge their winner shipping. I mean, I'm not throwing any shade anywhere, but to me, I think that's tacky. I don't know how else to say it. I'm sorry, I don't want to offend anybody, but my own opinion is if you win something, you win it, right? So that's like you win a free car, right? And then you have to pay all these taxes and you can't afford the taxes, so you really can't even do the thing. Anyway, that's, I just squirrel. Anyway, so if you win the cup, I will pay for shipping also. And I think that's it, guys. I will try to be a little bit more consistent. I can't guarantee anything. I suffer from the migraines and all that stuff. But yeah, I'll try to be a little bit more consistent. I have tons of stuff that I'm going to be doing on my channel. So I'd like you to follow me along for the ride, and I appreciate each and every one of you. If you are a new subscriber and you are just subscribing my channel just to be entered into the giveaway, I still appreciate you and thank you for stopping by. And let me know where you're from. If you are a regular subscriber of mine, I thank you. And I think that's it, guys. So that's all for right now, and I will get this video uploaded and we will get to commenting and see who's going to win my cup. Thanks for joining me. Bye now.